Rather oddly, we've been given another compound interest problem in question 10, this time with depreciating factors. Year 1, year 2, but we're not told the initial amount. Instead, we've been told the final amount after the second year of depreciation. So we've got to set up an equation using the 23% down on year 1 and the 19% down on year 2 to end up with £10,914.75. So let's assume we start off with the car's value of X. We multiply by the first year depreciation. Now 100 minus 23 is 77. So our multiplying number here is 0.77. And 100 minus 19 is 81. And then we multiply by 0.81. And this is equal to the resultant price of £10,914.75. So X is equal to, and if you pop that into a calculator, you get £17,500. And that will be your answer.